Welcome back to another DaVinci Resolve tutorial. Today we're talking about compound clips, a fantastic tool to keep your timeline organized and efficient, especially for complex projects. Let's dive right in. Start by selecting the clips you want to group together on your timeline. This can include video clips, audio, images, or even effects. Next, right-click on your selection and choose Create Compound Clip from the drop-down menu. A pop-up will appear. Name your compound clip and hit Create. Now, all the selected clips are grouped into one single clip on your timeline. If you want to edit the individual clips inside the compound clip, here's what you do. Right-click on the compound clip and select Open in Timeline. This will open a new timeline showing all the individual clips inside the compound clip. To return to your main timeline, click the Timeline tab at the top of the timeline area. If you no longer need the compound clip, and if you want to break the compound clip apart, right-click on the compound clip and select Decompose in place. From the submenu, choose Clips to separate the compound clip back into its original elements, just as they were before grouping. Compound clips make it super easy to organize and manage multiple clips as if they're one. You can move them around, trim them, or even apply effects to the whole group with just a few clicks. And that's it. Compound clips are a powerful feature that can simplify your editing workflow in DaVinci Resolve. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon for more quick DaVinci Resolve tips.